Well, Tesla delivery numbers are due later this morning. Phil LeBeau joins us with a preview. Hi, Phil.
Hey, Mike, the expectation is that Tesla's fourth quarter was not a great fourth quarter relative to the third quarter. A number of reasons, whether it's in the United States with the end of the EV tax credit, continuing to be a challenging market, both in Europe as well as in China. The bottom line is this. The expectation when we get the numbers from Tesla, which are likely going to happen a little before 9 a.m. Eastern time, if history holds in terms of when we see those numbers, it's going to be about 426,000. That is the FactSet estimate that is out there. By the way, Tesla put out its own estimate based on its conversations with analysts, came in at 422,000 regardless. Compared to Q3, it's going to be down about 15%. And for the year, the consensus is deliveries coming in at 1.64 million. To put that into some perspective compared to previous year, that will mark a second straight year with annual deliveries declining. They were down slightly last year at just over 1.78 million vehicles. Again, the expectation is that they're going to be down about 8.3% for all of 25 compared to 24. In terms of the regions, remember, Tesla doesn't break their deliveries out by the U.S., Europe, and China. Deutsche Bank extrapolated the numbers based on the sales data that comes from each of those regions, and this is the expectation for the fourth quarter. Not a surprise that you see Europe and U.S. down more than 30%. China, that continues to be a challenging market because of all the competition that has come in there. But when you look at shares of Tesla, why do they continue to move higher? Because deliveries are less and less an important statistic or metric, I should say, for investors to follow. What are they focused on? Robotaxi and autonomous vehicle development. Austin and San Francisco are the two robotaxi markets. Though Elon Musk said, look, we expect to be launched by the end of 25, that hasn't happened. They have, in testing, brought the driver out of the vehicle in parts of Austin, but in terms of where they are relative to what the expectation was a couple of months ago, they're not up to the same level. Also, I want to quickly show you shares of BYD. Why are we showing you BYDs over the last year? The company released its 2025 delivery or sales data. Pure EVs, 2.2 million is the expectation for all of 2025. Guys, you compare that with Tesla coming in at 1.64 million. It's clear that BYD is the global leader in terms of EV sales.